Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I am going to reveal you interesting approach that made me over 3,500 greenbacks in days, and I'm not going to mention in 2 days, but let's consider in 2 and a 2 days. So I made 3,500 greenbacks in 2.5 days, and I'm going to share with you men how I did this. So if you like this type of videos, make certain to press that subscribe button, and you should additionally take a look at a few different motion pictures on my channel, how to make cash with Clickbank and affiliate advertising. So men permits first leap on the evidence of my earnings, and I'm going to expose you in transactions because this is definitely important. So you can see right here on my Clickbank account 3,590 greenbacks, and whilst I am going to show in transactions, make sure to observe here this. So here you may see almost 99.9% are from USA, so you can see this one is not from USA. Right here you may see nearly all transactions are from America. This one is no longer from America. This one is from Canada. So as I stated, 99.9% is from United States of America, and I am going to show you men how I did this. So this is genuinely thrilling technique that I have used to get this sort of income. So right here we're at Clickbank, and now I am going to reveal you which product I've promoted and what must you furthermore to recognize I have promoted this product on Instagram. And right here you can see on somewhere at the display I'm going to position the evidence of my engage on my put up and what number of impressions I have were given you. So right here you may see a number of impressions and those consequences that is the result for this kind of sales. So in the product I have promoted is that this inexperienced juice. I have noted this product a few times. So how I've promoted this product, I've discovered a few woman version, let's call it like that. She has 180,000 subscribers, no longer subscribers but fans on Instagram account, and I have requested her to sell this product, and I'm going to ship her this product to her address, and I'm going to pay her some amount of cash. I have paid her, I think, $300, something like that, and I have sent her this inexperienced juice. So how I stated her, I simply came here in this touchdown web page, clicked on by way of now, and purchased this product for $57, and I've sent her this one bottle. I told her to make an image with this bottle and to tag my Instagram account. And what is also notable that is that Ikea reapplied her photograph and were given loopy quantity of engagement on my Instagram account, which I did not count on, and I've remodeled $3,590. And what she also men understand is that this is not 3,000, shall we say 600 greenbacks income. I am anticipating to get a few. We determined, let's say I am going to make from this $3,600, I am going to make $3,100, and I've paid her, I think, $300, so that is $1,900 in profit. And also he sold this product for her, so she will be able to make a photo with this. So it's all $2,900 earnings in a 1/2 days. So this is quite superb matter. So what I did is this, I have asked her, so that is her Instagram account, she made a picture with this product. She tagged me here in the image, and she tagged me right here within the I am no longer sure how it is known as, I think it is bio, no longer feasible. However, beneath the image, the text, she tagged my Instagram account. So what happened is lots of human beings got here to my Instagram account to look this product, and a variety of humans clicked on my affiliate link within the bio right here. So this is my channel, and inside the order people clicked a link in bio right here, and I were given a lot of income. So what's top notch is that this feminine is from the US, and he or she has a whole lot of followers from US. So this is the result of 99.9% buying this product from the US. And what is also tremendous is that my posts, closing non-fastened posts, were given quite a few engagements. So quite a few people saw this picture for a few motive and not simplest from her profile. However, it ranked on the Instagram C core, something like that. So I were given definitely lucky and that I count on to still make money from this approach and am not certain I am going to do that once more. However, as you can tell, I am going to let's see, I anticipate to make inside the next 10 days somewhere around $10,000 in income. So this is the easy simple technique that helped me generate over 3,600 greenbacks in 2.5 days. So man, I hope you located this records useful, and if you like this sort of videos, do not neglect to press the like button, and you ought to additionally subscribe to my YouTube channel because I am uploading a made each day methods on my channel, and additionally and uploading the way to make cash with Clickbank and associate advertising, and shortly course may be up, so don't forget to check that also out. So thank you guys for looking. Bear in mind to press subscribe button, thumbs up this video when you have any other questions, and sure to leave them underneath. Thanks guys for looking, see you quickly, and bye.